Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another 10-minute beginner interval workout. Today we're doing down dog variations. Starting in down dog, knee tuck, leg extension. We're doing only one leg. So it's a knee tuck into a plank, extend your leg up into down dog. Tuck the knee in, extend out, in, out, in, out. Keep going. It's 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And now you can rest and enjoy the rest interval as much as you enjoy the work interval. And now the other leg, same exercise. Tuck the knee in, extend the leg out. Knee in, out, in, out. The exercise today are that kind that we're gonna repeat each one for each leg, for each side. And rest. You can dance it out like me. Okay. Leg pulses is the next one. So we're gonna keep the leg extended and we're gonna pulse up and down. This pulse happens from the glutes, from the hips. So don't arch your lower back. When you do the pulse, just squeeze your glutes and pulse up and down, up and down. And rest. Stretch. I need to stretch my shoulders a little bit. Okay. Ready? And now the other leg. Pulse up, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your booty. Rest. Nicely done. Now one of my favorite exercises in the down dog position is coming up next. This is the hamstring curls. So we're gonna keep the same position, one leg extended, and from there we're gonna simply bend from the knee. We're gonna curl back, hamstring curls. In this position you need to squeeze your booty. You need to actively engage the muscles. We don't have any weights, any resistance today. So just think for that mind-muscle connection. Be intentional with your exercise. And rest. Okay, we are halfway through the workout. The other side, the other leg doing now. Almost there. Okay, and rest, breathe. Okay, off we go. Ankle tap cross. So down dog position, and with my left arm I touch my right ankle. So it's opposite arm and leg. For me it's left arm, right ankle. And touch. This is a great core work. Also a great twist and stretch for the body. And rest. Okay, the other side, to get ready. And off we go. Right arm, left ankle. Keep going. And rest. Okay, we have one exercise left on each side. That means 2 intervals and we are done. And now fire hydrant, switching legs again. For this exercise, please try to keep your knees in a line and just raise the leg to the side, opening the leg, keeping the same position of the leg, squeezing the booty. Almost there. And rest. Okay. One exercise left, one interval. Get ready, repeating the fire hydrants on the other side, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. Ready? Off we go. And rest. Well done, everyone. This was the last workout of this 9-week challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited and so proud of you that you finished this challenge. Don't forget, you need to repeat this workout 3 to 4 times a week, and I think you're ready to move to more intense stuff.